We are often instructed to avoid rejection, a prevailing mindset ingrained in our souls that views rejection as a nightmare, a symbol of failure. Imagine a moment in your life when everything seemed to crumble. You had invested strength, effort, and faith in a relationship, hoping for a happy future. However, these plans collapsed when faced with the bitter pill of rejection. The person you cherished decided to move on, leaving you in a state of loneliness and pain. In this dark moment, you may have felt a part of yourself shatter and the envisioned future dissolve. But as followers of Stoic philosophy, we perceive rejection differently. Rather than fleeing, we confront and accept it as a part of spiritual development. In this video, we embark on a journey to share 15 Stoic lessons that can transform rejection, even the most crushing defeats, into steps toward success and maturity. Lesson 1. Go out and have fun. When rejection knocks, go deep and enjoy life despite the pain. It's a statement that rejection won't determine your happiness. Lesson 2. Demonstrate your value. Express your worth through actions, not just words. Improve yourself and let your virtues shine. Lesson 3. Learn to be silent. Silence is a path of courage, a sign of strength in controlling emotions and reactions. Lesson 4. Cut off contact. Break contact when faced with rejection. Preserve yourself from unworthy endeavors and focus on personal growth. Lesson 5. Remove from your mind. Treat your mind as a garden. Remove negativity and nurture it with hope, self-sufficiency, and personal growth. Lesson 6. Act as if that person doesn't exist. Pretend they don't exist, maintaining resilience and self-confidence in the face of indifference. Lesson 7. Don't react emotionally. Choose a response based on reason, not emotional turmoil. Control your feelings and remain steadfast. Lesson 8. Don't beg. Refuse to compromise your self-respect. Instead, focus on your inherent worth and let it shine. Lesson 9. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as motivation for personal growth. Prove others wrong through hard work and resilience. Lesson 10. Be kind but emotionally distant. Show kindness while protecting your soul from emotional turmoil. Be benevolent but not swayed by others' reactions. Lesson 11. Build your social status. Focus on self-improvement and positive contributions to the community, rather than seeking external validation. In practicing these lessons, we embrace Stoic philosophy, transforming rejection into an opportunity for self-discovery, resilience, and personal development. Thanks for listening.